So the first part of the test, I'm going to be demonstrating to you the alkalinity aspects. And for this we have these bottled waters, and what we're going to do is we're going to test their pH. So here I have my pH drops, and what they're going to do is they're going to test the pH of all these different liquids. And then from there we're going to get an indicator of what's actually really going on with all these different waters. So I'll start down here with the Sprite. We're starting to see some interesting colours going on here. So down here we see with our Sprite, it's bright red. Now if we look at the chart, you'll see the Sprite is at about a 3 in pH. Now, our body wants to be at 7.36. If we're drinking something like a Sprite, down here at a 3, on a logarithm scale, it's not 10 times, or 100, or 1,000, it's actually 10,000 times more acidic than where the body wants to be. Now here we have some Perrier, it's at a 5, so it's 100 times more acidic than where the body wants to be. And so too is the Aquafina. The Smart Water is more around a 6, so it's 10 times more acidic than where the body wants to be. The body has to work really hard to get the pH back. And my whole thing is, why make the body work hard when we don't have to? Now a tap water is the same as the Arrowhead and the Fiji. It's more on the neutral side. But then we get into the aspect of what's really in all these bottles. With the Arrowhead and the Fiji, they're the same as all these others. They may not have the same terrible pH, but the problem is they're all bottled. We don't know how long they've been sitting in this bottle for, and then we've also got to consider the carbon footprint. What does that look like? These bottles take over 1,000 years to biodegrade. It's pretty shocking when you look at it like that. So now we come to our beautiful alkaline ionized water. Just look at it. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's a 10 in pH. And the incredible thing about what this alkaline ionized water does is it helps to neutralize the acidity in the body. And that's what I'd like to show you next as part of this pH test. So here I have some ionized water. And now what I'm going to do is show you how it works. Your body's on the neutral side, you drink some ionized water and it helps neutralize it. You're a little bit acidic, look, wow. It helps neutralize the acidity in your body and bring your pH back to 7.36. Whoops, we've got a problem going on here, Houston. Look at this. Everybody thinks Perrier is good for them. Now the problem is, with these sports drinks, with the vitamin water, they're so acidic that I actually can't change them. It would actually take 32 bottles of the same size of ionized water for me to just neutralize it. Not to bring it to alkaline, just to neutralize it. Now, let's look at it from the other angle. Let's just say that you're being really good. You're eating live, raw, green, you're doing the good thing, and then you say, hey, I feel like some Sprite. Let me show you. Little drop of Sprite has turned your body acidic. And now your body has to work its way back. Now remember, when we're at this level down here, it takes 32 glasses to do that. So now you're really putting your body under stress. So that's the aspect of the alkalinity of how the ionized water helps the body to just bring itself back. But if you're drinking these highly acidic waters, it's making it a lot more difficult for your body to achieve that.